In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another email account in Zoho Mail. This is a simple process, and I'll guide you step by step so you can manage multiple email accounts from one place easily. Let's get started. First, go to Zoho Mail and sign into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon, usually shown as a gear symbol. This will open your mail settings panel. From here, find and click on the section related to mail accounts. This is where you can manage all connected email addresses. Now, look for the option to add a new account and click on it to begin. At this stage, Zoho will ask you to choose how you want to connect your external email. You'll usually see two main options, IMAP and POP. IMAP is recommended because it keeps your emails synced across all your devices, while POP typically downloads emails to one device only. After choosing your preferred option, you'll need to enter your email account details. Start by entering the name you want others to see when you send emails. Then type in your email address you want to connect. Next, you'll need to provide incoming and outgoing server details. These settings depend on your email provider, such as Gmail or Outlook, so it's important to use the correct server names and ports. In most cases, you can find these details on your provider's help page. After that, enter your username, which is usually your full email address, along with your password. Some providers may also allow secure sign-in methods, which can make the process easier and safer. Once everything is filled in, click on Save or Authenticate to complete the setup. If all the details are correct, Zoho Mail will start syncing your emails and you'll be able to send and receive messages from the added account directly within your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add another email account in Zoho Mail. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.